The best implication that a patient with diabetes mellitus is successful managing the disease discharge is a reduction in excess body weight, stabilization of serum glucose level, demonstration knowledge of disease, compliance with order for insulin administration. Correct answer is B. Stabilization of serum glucose level. Antibodies are produced by eosinophils, erythrocytes, lymphocytes, plasma cells. Correct answer is D. Plasma cells. The inner layer of uterus is endocardium, myocardium, endometrium, myometrium. Correct answer is A. Endocardium. Nursing care of a woman with eclampsia are following except clear and maintain the airway and place in a semi-prone position. Administer oxygen via face masks at 8 to 10 liters per minute. Frequently check fetal heart rate. Allow to talk with visitors in the room. Correct answer is D. Allow to talk with visitors in the room. The common implantation site for fertilized ovum in the fallopian tube is isthmus, infundibulum, ampullary region, cornua of the uterus. Correct answer is C. Ampullary region. Duration and intensity of contractions can be best felt by placing hand on the woman's abdomen at the mid portion of the uterus, on the woman's abdomen at the lower portion of the uterus, on the top of fundus, on the woman's abdomen at the upper portion of the uterus. Correct answer is D. On the woman's abdomen at the upper portion of the uterus. Criteria for vacuum extraction are autumn fetus vertex presentation, fetal head at least 2 station, 7 to 8 cm dilated cervix, fetal distress in the first stage of casus. Correct answer is A. Autumn fetus vertex presentation. Prolapse of the bladder and the anterior vaginal wall is called cystocele, enterocele, rectocele, urethrocele. Correct answer is A. Cystocele. Dash is an absolute state of inability to conceive, sterility, fertility, infertility, subfertility. Correct answer is A. Sterility. The abnormal opening between vagina and urinary bladder is rectocele, cystocele, fistula opening. Correct answer is C. Fistula. The term metrorrhagia refers to presence of blood in vaginal discharge, bleeding in between menstrual periods, severe bleeding during each menses, painful menstrual flow. Correct answer is B. Bleeding in between menstrual period. The MBA procedure is complete when the wall of the uterus feels smooth, the vacuum in the syringe decreases, red or pink foam and no more tissue invisible in the cannula, the uterus relaxes. Correct answer is C. Red or pink foam and no more tissue invisible in the cannula. Age for menarche of a girl child is 10 to 15 years, 6 to 12, 15 to 18, 8 to 12 years. Correct answer is A. 10 to 15 years. Whooping cough is caused by Bordetella pertussis, Brucella abortus, Staphylococcus aureus, Brucella mitis. Correct answer is A. Bordetella pertussis. Nephrotic syndrome is characterized by proteinuria, hypolipidemia, hypotension, hematuria. Correct answer is A. Proteinuria. When palpating the abdomen of an infant with hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, is you find a distended colon, marked tenderness around the umbilicus, rhythmic peristaltic waves in the lower abdomen, and olive-sized mass in the right upper quadrant. Correct answer is D. An olive-sized mass in the right upper quadrant. Which of the following conditions requires immediate treatment for newborn baby? Swollen breast, cephalohematoma, swollen eyelids, discharge pus, subconjunctival hemorrhage. Correct answer is C. Swollen eyelids, discharge pus. Any sensory perception without corresponding external stimulation is called hallucination, illusion, delusion, agitation. Correct answer is A. Hallucination. The disturbance of stream of thought in which thinking processes appear to run out too quickly, flight of ideas, thought preservation, thought insertion, mood swing. Correct answer is A. Flight of ideas. A client with cancer of the lung says to the nurse, "If I could just be free of pain for a few days, I might be able to eat more and regain strength." Which stage of grieving does the nurse conclude the client is in? Bargaining, frustration, depression, rationalization. Correct answer is A. Bargaining. Primary purpose of the regulation of nursing practice is to protect the public, protecting nurses, the employing agency, professional standard. Correct answer is A. The public. The method of budgeting that uses the expenditure from the previous year as a basis for the current annual budget is budgeting, expenditure, incremental budgeting, annual budgeting. Correct answer is D. Annual budgeting. The process of increasing group activities toward accomplishment of goal in a given situation is leadership, expenditure, annual budgeting. Correct answer is B. Leadership. Ammonia is excreted by the kidney to help to maintain osmotic pressure of the blood, acid-base balance of the body, low bacterial levels in the urine, normal RBC production. Correct answer is B. Acid-base balance in the body. Probable signs of pregnancy includes fetal movements, amenorrhea, fetus seen on ultrasound, auscultation of FHS by fetoscope. Correct answer is B. Amenorrhea. Principles of bed making are following except using correct body mechanism, preventing cross infection, preparing the bed neatly, place the articles near the foot of bed. Correct answer is D. Place the articles near the foot of bed. A patient is scheduled for a urinary catheterization. In which position should the nurse place the patient? Prone position, Trendelenburg position, dorsal recumbent position, supine position. Correct answer is C. Dorsal recumbent position. A client's temperature of 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 36.5 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, 36.8 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is B. 37 degrees Celsius. Paracentesis is the infusion of IV fluid from parenteral root, placement of catheter by chest X-ray examination after insertion, removal of fluid peritoneum to reduce intra-abdominal tension or obtain fluid for culture, provide supplemental water to balance hypertonic formula if ordered by healthcare provider. Correct answer is C. Removal of fluid peritoneum to reduce intra-abdominal tension or obtain fluid for culture. The muscle of upper arm for administering intramuscular injection is gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, deltoid muscles, vastus lateralis. Correct answer is C. Deltoid muscle. Which is not the function of kidney? Secretion of urine, excretion excess water and electrolyte to balance fluid and electrolyte, secretion of erythropoietin hormone to produce RBC, secretion of trypsinogen. Correct answer is D. Secretion of trypsinogen. In a resuscitation of a patient with the cardiac arrest, the rescuer first attempts for defibrillation, chest compression, establish a patent airway, mouth-to-mouth breathing. Correct answer is C. Establish a patent airway. Oncotic pressure is when one solution has more osmotic pressure than another, it draws fluid from the other. When one solution has less osmotic pressure than another, it forces into the other. Movement of molecules from area of higher concentration to area of lesser concentration forces fluid across cell membrane exerted by large protein molecules. Correct answer is D. Forces fluid across cell membrane exerted by large protein molecules. The reproduction of woman requires the genetic process of mitosis, meiosis, mutation, inheritance. Correct answer is B. Meiosis. The oxygenated blood is supplied to the stomach by cephalic artery, celiac artery, carotid artery, coronary artery. Correct answer is B. Celiac artery. Nursing management of congestive heart failure are following except monitor pulse rate before giving digitalis drug, provide oxygen by nasal cannula as needed, keep the patient in supine position, provide small frequent salt restricted food. Correct answer is C. Keep the patient in supine position. Post-operative nursing care of the pyelolithiotomy patient are following except maintain accurate record of drainage from the drainage tubes, irrigate through catheter, check operated site regular for any bleeding, administer medicine as ordered. Correct answer is B, irrigated through catheter. Diabetic meal plan for diabetic person with sedentary habit needs 20 calorie per kg body weight per day, 30 calorie, 40 calorie, 35 calorie per kg body weight per day. Correct answer is B, 30 calorie per kg body weight per day. When a patient receiving peritoneal dialysis complains of severe respiratory difficulty, the most immediate nursing action should be to notify the physician, discontinue the treatment, change patient position, drain fluid from peritoneal cavity. Correct answer is C, change patient position. A patient with bronchial asthma has difficulty breathing because of rapid expulsion of air, spasm of bronchi which trap the air, hyperventilation due to an anxiety, and increase in the vital capacity of the lungs. Correct answer is B, spasm of bronchi which trap the air. A client experiences abdominal distension following surgery. Which nursing actions are appropriate? Encouraging ambulation, auscultating bowel sound, providing a straw for drinking, offering the prescribed opioid analgesic. Correct answer is A, encouraging ambulation. A nurse in the surgical intensive care unit is caring for a client with a large surgical incision. What medication does the nurse anticipate will be prescribed for the client? Vitamin A, cyanocobalamin, phytonadione, ascorbic acid. Correct answer is D, ascorbic acid. What is the priority nursing intervention for a client during the immediate post-operative period? Monitoring vital sign, observing hemorrhage, maintaining patent airway, recording the intake and output. Correct answer is C, maintaining the patent airway. A client has developed atrial fibrillation and has a ventricular rate of 150 beats per minute. The nurse assesses the client for hypotension and dizziness, nausea and vomiting, hypertension and headache, flat neck pains. Correct answer is A, hypotension and dizziness. In visual acuity of Snellen chart, if a patient has acuity of 20/40 in both eyes, this means the patient can see twice as well as the patient has double vision, the patient has less than normal vision, the patient has normal vision. Correct answer is C, the patient has less than normal vision. Which of the following vitamin is readily destroyed on cooking? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, vitamin D. Correct answer is B, vitamin C. Major air pollution is sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen. Correct answer is B, carbon monoxide. Which element is not related to primary healthcare? HIV/AIDS, FPMCS, safe water and sanitation, provision of essential drug. Correct answer is A, HIV/AIDS. Which of the following is the tertiary level of prevention? Health promotion, chemoprophylaxis, rehabilitation, easily diagnosis and treatment. Correct answer is C, rehabilitation. Health of the children is usually adversely affected by low birth weight, malnutrition, measles, respiratory infection. Correct answer is B, malnutrition. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। धन्यवाद।